से।
मारो नाम निमिषा से
और हम गुप्ता से। डबल। हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक to our
Adisha Creations.
So this is our first video on haul, which is
Flipkart haul.
So 1 मिनट का इंट्रो होता है जो कि हम कर चुके हैं. So let's move.
Let's start. So basically हम इस हॉल में कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स का रिव्यू देने वाले हैं
जो कि ₹80 से ₹3500 तक वैरी कर.
So here is our first product that is very cutest one, which is
So this is a blender brush for our foundation and highlighter, and this costs just ₹80.
As you can all see, its bristles are very soft and very tiny, which is very good for our skin.
And it's easy to use. As you can see, it blends perfectly foundation on my hand. So this is time for our second product, that is
Popular combo of measuring cups and spatula plus brush.
the combo of 8 pieces with a brush and a spatula.
And the price of this product is very small. That is only and only $299.
It's not 300, it's $299. पता नहीं फ्लिपकार्ट वालों को क्या
एक
₹1
रुपए
बचा के क्या ले.
Now it's time for our third product, that is
These small round baskets. Actually, the reason behind this we picked up is its colors are really so good and so
attractive.
Yes, and its design also is so good as it's make flowers on it. So we loved it, and the main reason behind this that we picked up, it is just only
₹4 of 149.
Yes, and its quality is also good as described in its product.
We are moving to our fourth product, that is
This cute small little bag. Guys, ये मुझे देखते के साथ पसंद आ गया था बिकॉज ये बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है और ये बहुत ही क्यूट है एक्चुअली ऐसा स्मॉल बैग. सो मुझे इसका प्राइस ही थोड़ा सा लगा बट द प्रोडक्ट इज वर्थ इट.
and the price is $670. हे आद्या, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है, चलो छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं ना.
ब्रेक क्यों लेना, आप सैंडविच खाइए ना.
ओह वाओ, सैंडविच, चलो खाते हैं. It's not a sandwich.
Yes, it's not a sandwich.
Oh wow, it is so attractive.
Yes guys.
What is it?
It's notes.
Oh, sticky notes.
Yes.
So beautiful. Guys, only and only guess कितना हो सकता है?
₹275
Only.
ये एकदम ऐसा ही है. ये एक्चुअली एकदम रियल ब्रेड लग रहा है. इट्स नॉट लुकिंग लाइक अ स्पंज बट दिस इज अ स्पंज एंड एक्चुअली ये एकदम रियल ब्रेड लग रहा है जैसा कि इस फोटो में दिया हुआ था.
As you all can see this.
Yes.
Now moving to our fifth product, that is
these sticky notes. These sticky notes are really so cool.
it is so colorful and bright colors are very attractive to our eyes.
These are like of a broad sticky notes and also something like a
Teddy, Mickey, bread,
and leaf. And the best part of this is it's really broad so that we can write something. So that's why I picked up this because it's look really good and cool. And this gel,
and the price of this product is
$199. यार ये फ्लिपकार्ट वाले क्या है, ₹1 बचा के क्या कर लेते हैं.
कोई नहीं, हम लोग दान में देते हैं.
प्रोडक्ट है ये बड़ा लिया. सो एक्चुअली ये 3 का कॉम्बो है. यू कैन सी ये 3 का कॉम्बो है एंड आई थिंक ये बहुत ही अच्छा चीज़ है. आप लोग को भी ये जरूर लेना चाहिए क्योंकि ये एज लुक में भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एंड इट कैन बी यूज फॉर योर एनीथिंग लाइक योर पर्सनल आइटम्स और टू कीप समथिंग इन अ रो एंड यू विल
इन अ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे.
यस, सो दिस विल सो गुड एंड आई थिंक ये हमें कितने का पड़ा था. लेट मी चेक इट.
It is of
500. Actually not 500, it's 495.
495.
But yeah.
So guys, we are moving to our seventh product, that is
ये दलिया पैक ऑफ 5 में हमने लिया था एंड इट्स रुपीज वॉज 363 एंड ये बहुत ही अच्छा है एक्चुअली. इट्स वेरी सुटेबल फॉर आवर मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स. टू जस्ट कीप इट.
It is a plastic product. We can kept many things and many things. Now it's time for a beauty products.
ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स में हमारे पास 3 से 4 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो हमने पिक किया था. और फर्स्ट वन इज,
पहला प्रोडक्ट है लियोन ब्यूटी कंसीलर.
yes, this is from USA actually and its price is,
It is not costlier.
yeah, it's normal, like its price is rupees 169 and which is not bad also, and its shade is nude. Yeah, so we'll give a thumbs up to this product because it really.
Moving to our second product, second beauty product, that is highlighter of Glam 21 Pro HD
Shimmer Brick.
Shimmer Brick.
So this product cost rupees 219 and it has multicolors.
Multicolors, 6 colors, and it is a very good quality.
As you can see, it really suits my hand.
So it's a good product, and thumbs up for this product also.
Our third beauty product is this, the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and it is really good palette. Let me show you. This has a bunch of colors.
As you can see,
It has a matte and a shimmer look both, which I really wanted. I was really obsessed with it. And the eyeshadow, means eyeshadow is like everything, or the, like, for me it's a basic makeup for me. So I'm really obsessed with him and with this, and actually it's the product is really all worth it, and I am really so I'll give it XOXO love because it is really good for me.
and it is only, price is only 275. Only
That's
and
it.
only 275. You can also go through with this product.
इस पूरे हॉल में मेरा सबसे मनपसंद यही एक प्रोडक्ट है. आई एम रियली
Loving
लव
it.
विद दिस बिकॉज इसमें मुझे मैट और शिमर दोनों मिल गया, और इसके लिए मुझे रियली बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ा था. मुझे ढूंढना पड़ा था एक शेड, बट मुझे मिल
जो कि
गया.
अब हमें एक में ही मिल गया.
And the
It
shade
very-
is JH2. That shade I am
JH2.
using is JH2. So you should also try this because it's really good and loving it.
So अब हमारा ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट खत्म हो चुका है. Now
और
it's turn
हमारा next
for
product है ये cup. Actually it's a transparent cup and I thought it will be a great for green tea and all.
green tea, tea.
Please show them.
It's a good quality of product.
So this is actual look of this cup, and I think it's really good for green tea, also for morning green tea, and I think this is really
Product
good.
is good.
And its price is around 360, around rupees 360 it
360.
was, and you should try this product because it's really worth it.
Good quality.
Yes, as it was linked in the description. So guys, our second last product हमारा ये है, and I think this is,
Electronic gadget.
yes, it's from HP as you can see, and it has 3 major
Qualities.
that is it is fold and carry, like this. We can fold it and carry it anywhere. It has ear cups around this, which really good for music, and if you attend a call, it really good. And it is a closed back design to seals in, so that it keeps you distraction free. And if you are studying by using this headsets, it is really good because it's keep you distractions free. So I think this was really good, and 1000, and it is HP BH01 Bluetooth headphones. Let me show you a look. In a look, it has a charger portable. It has some warranties and all, and this how it looks like. Actually, it's written left and right, and it can be a little movable as per your ears, and it has a super facility. That is, you can just make it big or make it small as per your head size.
It can also be foldable.
Yeah, it can be foldable like this, and it's really keeps you discretion free. It is really good.
So guys, कैसे लगे आपको हमारे फ्रूट कुशंस?
मेरे पास है कीवी एंड ऑरेंज,
एंड मेरे पास है वाटरमेलन एंड कुकुम्बर. This color is so bright and very little small, which is covered
This is really,
in our
really
arms.
cute actually. You can say it's really cute because its size is small and it's really
We
cute.
can play much
for
for
today's haul. And we really want to thank someone, Mr. Pranav Anand. Thank you, Mr. Pranav Anand, for helping us in our video. And also don't forget to like, subscribe and share
this video.
Bye guys.